Financial markets, cryptocurrencies, diversify your income, invest for your future. Is it really inaccessible? The truth is, you don't need to be the smartest person in the room to be capable of investing for your future. However, you have to be in the room. Welcome to FPA Crypto Online Academy, your gateway to financial knowledge and market opportunities. We've made it simple, accessible, and available to anyone, anywhere on the globe. Discover key crypto concepts, develop your investment skills, learn technical and fundamental analysis, start your trading journey, learn to navigate into the blockchain and crypto ecosystem using the right resources, knowledge, and methods. Become a skilled and 100% self-reliant investor capable of making better decisions and managing your investment portfolios using appropriate tools and strategies. And here's the best part. We provide 100% free educational resources to keep you informed. Our online learning programs are designed to be intuitive and easy to follow, making it suitable for anyone. We are here to help you save your precious time in order to become a 100% self-reliant investor. FPA Crypto, the online crypto academy for beginners.